Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bob Waldron and we have a nice product review here for you today. This is going to be of Ammo by Mig Jimenez's OilBrusher organizer. That is for these beauties just here. Mine, as you can just hear, they're just smashing about because they're just lying on a shelf somewhere, but we've got these lovely oil brushes just here. Really cool. I do like them, and what we've got here is an organizer for them. So it was around about €10, so it's not a bad price, and it's just a nice little stand. Right, so let's see how easy it is to construct, because with these things you've got to sort of put them together, and they haven't put any instructions in here, so we've got to see if we can actually work it out. The only thing we've got to go off is a little picture just here. So let's see how long it takes me to put this together. So there you go. As you could probably see, it was a little bit sort of kind of fiddling about and a little bit of a jigsaw puzzle. Some instructions would have been nice, but you know what, it's not exactly that hard. Just a bit of sort of fiddling about. Obviously you're going to want to glue this together, CA glue, PVA glue. I'm probably going to go down the PVA glue route, because actually, I mean, you kind of really sort of slot this one in. I mean, you know what, you could actually get away with not actually gluing this at all, because when you push these in, it really does go in pretty solid, and it has just ended up being sort of something you don't actually need to glue. And then plain and simply we can go off, and obviously we organize all our oil brushes in here. Ooh, that one's, I think, needs to go in a bit tighter. Yeah, there we go. And there you go, all our oil brushes nicely stored away, and it just looks cool, and it's just something to put on your desk. Keep all your oil brushes nicely somewhere where you can actually see them, find them, get hold of them, makes your workstation look all cool. I like it because, to be honest with you, just over there they've just been sitting there, and this is just a nice little added addition to anyone's workshop. So definitely a big thumbs up here at Genesis Models. But until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.